Okay, so let's continue, Robin.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so this is it. So you need to choose and write sentences. Okay, so you need to choose and write sentences for task 4. So these are the choices inside the box.
Đi giữ cái giày của nó sao?
Cái gì mà nói? Ai cho mình bút chưa? Để cho mình bút chưa? Bút trong tủ này mà, có phải là bút cho bút kia đâu. Ừ. Hồi bữa là hồi bữa, bây giờ là bây giờ. Hồi bữa là hồi bữa, bây giờ là bây giờ.
All right, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so let's.
Rồi Vin nó đợi cô chấm bài mà. Ủa thì cô đang chấm mà.
Okay, so you may please read the sentence. Please read the sentence.
If only I wish it wasn't so heavy. Um, I wish I hadn't let it to him. I wish I hadn't been rude to her. I wish I could do it. I wish you wouldn't would them. I wish I wish I had was it. If only she wasn't ill.
Okay, so all right, now task 5, circle the correct answer, Robin. But before that, please read the sentence first. All right, Robin, please read.
Um, I wish I hadn't bought this camera. It's too complicated to use.
Complicated to use.
Complicated to use.
Okay, next.
If only I didn't have music lesson on Tuesday, I always miss my favorite TV program.
To continue, number 3.
Yes. Number 3. If only Emily didn't move to another town, I really miss her.
Okay, so let's see the answer for this. So for number one, I wish I didn't buy hadn't boat. So okay, so hadn't boat. For number two, I didn't have. Number three, hadn't moved. Four, I didn't have. Five, had chosen. Then had listened. So it's already past. I wish I could. Then for number eight, do you have hadn't accepted? Okay. Okay, task six, read and circle the correct answer. So hi guys, I'm having the worst holiday of my life. I wish I had never accepted my aunt's invitation to join her a beautiful house by the sea. But I'm so bored. If only the weather blunk so awful. If it didn't rain all the time, we'd be able to go for work on the beach. At least
Nini.
I wish. I blank so much money on new swimsuits. I don't think I'll have the chance to wear them at all. Mom's just sent me an email and she said that you're having a barbecue this Saturday. If only blank with you, just thinking about Harry's mom's barbecue chicken makes my mouth water. I wish I blank I'm going to have such a delicious lunch on Saturday, too. Unfortunately, my aunt is an awful cook. She even manages to burn beans on toast. Oh, if only I belonged you all here with me. At least if we were together, we would find some way to have fun, even in a place like this. I miss you all, Beth. Okay, now it's your turn to answer. Choose your answer from the choices in the box. Okay, so for number two, what is your answer? I hadn't been, isn't, or wasn't. What is your answer? Number two. All right, Robin, since it's already time, Robin, we need to stop here and we will continue this tomorrow night. Okay, so for now, Robin, bye bye and good night. Thank you for participating in our class tonight. Thank you and goodbye. Bye.
Bye.